Hi everyone, very nice to meet you. Many people have requested a guide on how to create a subtopics in Telegram group. So here I am, I'm gonna guide you through and show you everything on how it's done. So let's get started. Here we are in Telegram and we need to create a group in order to show you how it's done. By the way, I have to mention that if you want to do subtopics for Telegram channel, it will not work out because Telegram channels doesn't support this function. So let's go on and create a new group. Of course, all the same applies to the old group that you're already having. Let's call it test. Next, create. Okay, here we are in our Telegram group. And now we want to create a subtopics in order to create a few flows where communication can go. We need to go in order to on the three dots. And here we go to manage the group. And here we have the button topics. We have to press it and click save. Appearance of Telegram channel has changed and we have only one topic right now, general. This general topic will have all the old communication that have been done on the group. So all the old messages will be stored here. So we want to create few more subtopics. Let's go on. Press on these three dots. Create a topic. We have to create a name. Also, we can choose the emoji. While many emojis are supported only for Telegram premium users, we still can create the subtopics. Create. We have created a subtopic. But in order to save it, we need to send first message as the administrator. Hi. As we see, subtopic appeared on the site with all subtopics. We can go all along and create a few more. If we need so, don't forget to send a message. Hi. And now we have several subtopics. I hope you like this guide. I hope it helped you. And create more subtopics, create more communities, engage, make business, hustle, and see you somewhere in the private chat. Bye-bye.